Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, I'm going to show you something fun for math today. It's called before and after numbers. All right, so let's look at this. So just as a reminder or an introduction to the word before and after, if we had three things in a line here, let's look. We have a red guy, a yellow guy, and a purple guy. This guy right here is before this yellow guy. And then this purple guy is after the yellow guy. So if I'm looking at the yellow guy and I say, tell me which guy comes before the yellow guy, you would look and say, oh, the red guy. And then if I was looking at the yellow guy and I said, which one comes after the yellow guy? And you would say, the purple one. All right. So this is a hundreds chart. And we're going to look at the numbers. We're not going to look at all of them, but we have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're just really going to look at this first row. All right, so if I have the number 2 and I want to know which number comes before the number 2, we have to think about our men. All right, so this is the number 2. Which one comes before the number 2? Which one comes before? Right, the number 1, because it's in front of it, before it. All right, if I want to know which number comes after the number 2, then I would have to look at the number 2 and look right after it. 3. Also, when I count 1, 2, 3. So which one came before 2? 1, 2, 3. That's the one that I said first. All right, and then if I wanted to see what came after it, 2, what comes next? 3. That's the after number. All right, here's the number 4. What number comes before, so in front of, before the number 4? 3. Good. All right, which number is going to come after, behind, after? 4, 5. Good. All right, let's look at the number 8. Here's the number 8. Which number comes before, in front of the number 8? Before. The number 7. Good. Which number comes after the number 8? The number 9. Good job, guys. All right, see you later.